EVA injection molding is mainly used to process thermoplastic polymers, which usually include some polymer resins that are injected into the mold C. Heavily under certain pressure and temperature conditions, the molten plastic can be filled with intricate details in the mold and finally cooled and solidified to form a plastic part. EVA injection molding technology has been widely used by manufacturers in various industries, including but not limited to medical, automotive, electronics, and household products. Due to its high accuracy and smoothness, EVA injection molding is a specialized thermoplastic polymer molding process that is ideal for products that require high-dimensional accuracy and surface smoothness. The machinability of EVA is a significant advantage that has led to its widespread adoption in various industries. The copolymer can be easily processed using a variety of techniques, including injection molding, extrusion, and burn molding. EVA injection molding technology is a widely used plastic manufacturing technology, which mainly melts and injects polymers into the mold cavity at a certain pressure and temperature. After cooling and curing, the molded part is ejected from the mold. The EVA injection molding process follows this principle, but it is unique in that it needs to adapt to the properties of the EVA material, so manufacturers need to consider other factors as well. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.